Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical Supply. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MCR Medical Adult Child CPR Rescue Mask in hard case with wrist strap. This latex-free rescue mask is preferred by professionals, yet easy enough to use for any rescuer, and makes resuscitation safer for the responder and more efficient for the patient. The masks are available for purchase in a single, pack of 10, or case of 50. Our individually packaged, label-free clamshell mask case with wrist strap is manufactured specifically for MCR Medical Supply. The clamshell case opens by simply pulling up on the tab near the handy wrist strap and closes by simply snapping the case shut. Whether you're a rescue diver, lifeguard, or on your county's emergency response team, this is the perfect breathing barrier to carry on your wrist, in your pocket, or in your first aid kit. Lay responders will also find the easy-to-use mask an invaluable asset when called upon to breathe for a patient, regardless of their age. When you open the case, you will find the collapsible, transparent adult child mask, a pair of size large nitrile gloves, 2 alcohol prep pads, and an instruction sheet. The mask features a one-way filter valve, oxygen inlet, pliable bladder to facilitate proper seal, and elastic head strap for hands-free operation. To unfold the mask, simply push out on the inside of the mask and it will snap right into place. From there, you can securely attach the valve and the mask is ready for use on a patient. To use the mask on an adult, you will want the larger part of the mask to be on the bottom, while the narrow part of the mask will fit around the nose. To use the mask on a child, simply flip the mask so that the narrow part is over the chin of the child. Feel free to pick up several of these to keep at home, in your car, or anywhere you might need to utilize your resuscitation skills. You too can be ready with the right tools. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.